Karna, Shakuni, Dushasana.
You are right. I give a big clap. Again say everybody. Duryodhana, Karna, Shakuni, Dushasana. Dushasana is mind. Man. Karna is buddhi. Shakuni is chitta. Duryodhana is ahankara. Understand? Dushasana is mind, man. Okay. Karna is buddhi. Shakuni is chitta, always scheming. Ahankara, Duryodhana. Hey. So everybody has got these 4 departments here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now what you have to do is, from man, if you control your man, desire, that is called as karma yoga. If you increase your buddhi, that is called as jnana yoga. If you control your chitta, that is called as dhyana yoga, meditation. If you remove your ahankara, that is called as bhakti yoga. Meera, there is no ahankara. You know? So, there are 4 yogas. Now, of all these 4 yogas, the Raja Yoga, Dhyana Yoga is called as Raja Yoga because it is king of the yogas. Of Karma Yoga, of Jnana Yoga, of Bhakti Yoga, meditation called as king of the yogas. Okay. So, now let us do 5 minutes 10 minutes meditation. It is a